This is the one video you simply can't afford to miss. What if I told you that a single camera could detect fires with AI, offer 5x optical zoom, ultra-low light night vision, and two-way audio, all in one compact design? Meet the A972, the thermal speed dome that's reshaping safety across airports, factories, and utilities. Let's dive into how it's transforming physical security operations like never before. First, let's talk about image quality. The A972 delivers crystal clear 5MP resolution with 5x optical zoom, perfect for monitoring vast spaces like airport waiting areas, factory storage zones, or indoor utility control rooms. Instead of deploying multiple fixed cameras, you get full scene coverage with one intelligent unit. That means fewer devices to manage, lower costs, and higher visual clarity. It's the ideal solution for teams looking to expand surveillance without inflating budgets. Next up, nighttime performance. With built-in IR up to 50 meters, 130 dB WDR, and support for color images down to 0.003 lux, the A972 gives you stunning clarity, even in the darkest corners of parking zones, power substations, or dim airport corridors. No more blurry night feeds or blown-out highlights. This camera keeps your footage usable and reliable 24/7, regardless of lighting conditions. Now to the brains behind the lens. The A972 comes equipped with advanced AI that identifies people, vehicles, and non-motorized objects, and detects behaviors like line crossing, area intrusion, and object exit/entries. Whether you're tracking loitering at baggage claim, detecting unauthorized access in factory yards, or monitoring restricted zones at utility stations, this camera reduces false alarms from animals, lights, or debris and focuses on what really matters, real threats. Let's face it, cabling can be a nightmare. But not with the A972. Its Wi-Fi connectivity eliminates the need for complex wiring, making it perfect for hard-to-wire spots like ceiling-mounted airport zones, mobile factory stations, or remote utility towers. Plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're up and running. Fast setup, lower labor costs, and ultimate deployment flexibility. Finally, communication is key. The A972 offers one DI port, one DU port, audio in/out, and a built-in mic and speaker, ideal for real-time interaction. Whether it's coordinating staff at an airport check-in, issuing verbal warnings in a factory control room, or responding to incidents at a utility gate, this feature allows instant dialogue and action, turning your camera into a command post. Compared to Axis, ACTI delivers superior features, built-in AI, audio, I/O, and Wi-Fi, at 30 to 50% less cost. System integrators save even more by eliminating extra module purchases and license fees. Faster project delivery, lower total cost of ownership, and greater customer satisfaction make the A972 a winning choice in every bid. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us today and discover how the ACTI A972 can help you save money, reduce risk, and dramatically enhance your security operations. Designed for airports, factories, and utility facilities, it's the one AI thermal speed dome that does it all. Experience the new standard in intelligent surveillance, only from ACTI.